Hi there and welcome to Coin Americana. In this video, I will be breaking down what are cleaned coins, how much does coin cleaning decrease the value, and how do you detect cleaned coins. So first, I have two peace dollars over here, coin A and coin B. Both have pretty good detail and are maybe lightly circulated or uncirculated. But first, take a guess at looking which coin is cleaned or not. Is coin A or coin B cleaned? You can pause this video to take some time to look. Okay, so coin A is not cleaned and coin B is cleaned. If you got this correct, great. If not, stick till the end of the video so you can learn to detect cleaned coins like a pro. In the 1930s, coin collectors began believing in the brilliant is best movement. They believed that blast white coins should receive a higher premium on the marketplace. For this reason, coin collectors began to clean their coins. They usually clean their coins by using a towel, brush, or any kind of abrasive. This process caused the coin to develop hairlines, which affected the surface of the coin, despite cleaning coins having some positive benefits such as removing unattractive toning, spots, and blemishes. So the cleaned coin over here would have many hairlines, a loss of luster, and a dull-looking surface. Since these details negatively impact the eye appeal of the coin, cleaning generally decreases the value of the coin by approximately 30%. Another thing is that grading companies cannot give cleaned coins a numerical grade. They give cleaned coins a details grade. For example, they say here PCGS, genuine, harshly cleaned AU detail. So now, how do you detect cleaned coins? Cleaned coins can be detected using three methods. First is looking for bright luster. The coin on the left has a very bright, lively, shiny luster compared to the dull, muted surface of the coin on the right. Also, if you use a magnifying glass or a coin microscope, generally 5x magnification, you could see the fine hairlines on the surface of the cleaned coin. On a non-cleaned coin with original surfaces, you would just see a smooth, lustrous surface with no hairlines. My favorite method, however, is using the cartwheel effect. If you get this non-cleaned coin and you move it around, you can see that there's like a cartwheel of light. If you do the same for the clean coin, over here, there's no cartwheel. You can see it has a very dull surface. Coins with a cartwheel are generally not cleaned because they have the original mint luster. As a side note, another method for cleaning coins is called dipping, which is submerging the coin in a liquid which cleans the coin without scrubbing. Dipping does not leave any abrasive marks on the surface. Dipping is another method that I will get into more detail in another video. As a general rule of thumb, however, it is never a great idea to clean or dip your coins unless there is a good reason for using a proper method for cleaning up your coins. Improperly cleaning your coins can have terrible consequences by altering the surface and scrubbing off large percents of value. So it is not a good idea to clean coins of historical significance.